So, one of the things that I think is always reassuring to remember is that wherever you are in your mathematical journey, um, if you are learning and growing, you are probably pushing up against your personal mathematical wall. I do that every day. And the thing to remember is that it's not really a wall. It is, but it moves, right? Mathematicians, I have to grapple with the fact that I don't understand really what I'm trying to do or how it really works every day. And that is no different than when I was a fifth grader, struggling with something new in mathematics that I didn't quite understand yet. And the important thing is that you push on the wall and it may not feel, it's like a glacier. It may feel like it's not moving, but it is. And, it's part of it is trying to going back to a theme that has been across our whole conversation, trying to understand why things work the way they work. Because at some point, you can memorize rules all day, and that will help you in some situations, but they can get overwhelming and get confusing. So keep asking questions. Know that every step forward is a real step forward. I have seen students get PhDs who started in levels of college mathematics that you don't even get credit for. I have seen students, tell me, I'm no good. I'm not smart enough for this. I just keep making mistakes. That's part of the deal. So one thing that's important, and this is true, if you are a math ace and feel like you are struggling with something else in your academic life, but this happens a lot in mathematics, be okay with being wrong. Just be okay with it. There's no secret tribunal out there judging you if you make mistakes. Because seriously, if that was true, I'd be out on the street. I wouldn't be a mathematician. I'm wrong 99.7% of the time in my professional life. And the only thing that separates me from a truly great, world-class, internationally renowned mathematician is that they're probably wrong 99.6% of the time, right? I mean, so that's part of it. It's so easy to say, I just keep getting these things wrong. The most important thing to do when you get something wrong is think, why did I get it wrong? What could I do to get it right? And if you're not sure, take a step back and look at the thing before it, and look at the thing before it, and find the place where your uncertainty begins and work from there. Don't worry about where a book says you're supposed to be. Don't worry about where some test is telling you should. Don't figure it out, and it's one step at a time. Keep asking questions. I'm a teacher too. Sometimes we're tired. Sometimes it may seem that we're not jazzed to answer questions. We are. Your teachers are there to help you put one foot in front of the other. And you're able to do it. I've seen it happen too many times to believe that there is anyone out there who is not capable of, as long as you're just put your head down, keep asking questions. If you make mistakes, figure out why. Read. Make sense, make understanding, 1 inch at a time. That's all you can do. Don't think you're going to leaps and bounds forward. That's not how it works. Again, you're pushing on the wall. It's moving. You may not feel like it's moving slowly, but it's moving. But if you don't push, if you put your hands down, it doesn't move at all. So just know I'm in the same boat as you are. Maybe in a slightly different part of the wall, but I'm in the same boat as you are. Just keep pushing. 1 step at a time.